Hi, in this video I'll show you how to make a wall art using gift bags. I got these bags from a gift market and one was going for 2.99 dirhams, which is equivalent to $1. I started off by removing the strings from the bags. I'll be using the top side, so I'm gonna cut the bag into two using this deli cutter. Now we have something that looks like this. I'm using a hot glue gun to glue the side flaps together. Put a line of glue and fold it back over and then press it down. I reused my wardrobe doors to create this art, and its size is 59 by 16 inches. Then I applied the Gorilla Glue on the door surface. I will spread the glue with a paintbrush before placing the papers on the board. The next step is to put a heavy board on it and let the glue cure for 2 to 3 hours. We are done with the first wall art. Now I'm gonna use the grey gift bags for the second wall decor. After waiting for 2 hours, my art is ready to hang on the wall.